Google just dropped a tool called Nano Banana, and it might completely destroy the need for Photoshop editors and thumbnail designers. This tool can colorize black and white photos, add a beard to your face, change text in any image, and even create fake photos of you with celebrities. Plus all these for complete free. In today's video, I'm not only going to show you exactly how to use Nano Banana to do all this, but I'll also reveal how to unlock unlimited access. This video is going to blow your mind, so don't skip a second. Let's jump right into it. You can see that I've now landed on the Google Chrome screen. First of all, I'll click on the search bar. Now here we have to search for Google AI Studio. Now we just have to open the first website of Google AI Studio. You can see that Nano Banana is showing up here.
Oh my God! Wow!
So I'll simply click on it. Here we're seeing a plus option, so I'll click on that. Now here we're getting the upload file option. I'll click on it and import the photo that I want to edit. Now if we have an old black and white photo from the 90s and we want to colorize it, then we'll simply give that photo here, and in the prompt box above we'll type colorize the image. Then we'll click run. And in just 5 to 7 seconds, it will not only make our image colorful, but also enhance its quality beautifully.
Pow!
Now, if I have a picture where only my face is shown and I want that picture to show my full body, then I'll simply add that picture and I'll give this prompt, extend the pic to full body. Then I'll just click on run, and after waiting for 5 seconds, it will convert my face only picture into a full body image.
Yeah, boy.
Now, if, like me, you also feel that Superman without a beard doesn't really look like Superman, and you want to see him with a beard, then simply upload his photo or the photo of any other beardless person and just give this prompt, put beard on his mouth. Then click on run, and after just a few seconds, it will actually add a beard to his face. And literally, it looks so real. It looks more Superman than Superman himself.
Nice.
Now, if you're also a huge fan like me, but you only dream of taking a picture with them, this tool can actually make that dream come true. Want to know how? Well, I'm a big fan of Tom Cruise, so I upload his picture. You can upload any picture you like. Now, I'm uploading another picture, which is not mine, but I'm sharing it to show you. I want these two people to be taking a selfie together on the ice. So I'll give this prompt. Put these two people together taking a selfie on the ice. Then I'll click run, and after just 5 seconds, it will generate a picture for me, and you can see that it literally even put a hat on Tom Cruise's head, so it looks like he's really in that icy, freezing place, which is honestly amazing.
You serious?
Now, if you make videos and have faced the problem of character consistency, which I myself struggled with until now, well, literally Nano Banana has ended this problem. Now I simply upload a random picture. I want this exact same person to be riding a bicycle, so I just give this prompt, make this person riding a cycle. And in just seconds, it creates exactly the same person riding a bike. And it looks completely real. Now, if you still don't believe me, I'll upload the same picture again, and this time I'll give the prompt, make this person playing basketball. And literally, in just a few seconds, it generates a picture where this same person is playing basketball. Let's see if it can do it or not. Oh my God, look, the face is 100% exactly the same, something that was impossible before.
No! God, please, no! No!
Now let's see if it can even make this person crying. So I'll upload the picture again and give the prompt, make this person crying on the beach. Then click run. Let's see what it creates. Bro, now you should believe it, Nano Banana has taken a tool as powerful as Photoshop and not only matched it, but surpassed it. Even Photoshop would say this.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping, bro?
Now, in any picture, your ex is standing with you and you want to remove her from it, then simply you have to import that picture. But since I am extremely single, in my case, my girlfriend is these prison bars. So I'll simply give this prompt, remove the bars from the pic. And literally, it will remove your ex just like it removed the prison bars. Now, don't forget to write thank you in the comments because your big problem has finally found a solution today.
Now, if like me, your style and color dressing is just like this gentleman's, and you want to wear a suit like this, then simply import your picture and the suit's picture and give this prompt. Don't worry, I'll put all the prompts I used in this video in the description. You can copy them from there. Now, you don't need to buy expensive clothes nor waste money. Just keep using Nano Banana for free and keep making the haters jealous.
Now, if you are a YouTuber who really likes someone's thumbnail, but want to put your own text instead, then you have to import that picture. And in the prompt box, just write the text you want to replace. For example, I'll write, change the text attractive YouTube to mentor AI official. And click run. What used to take us 5 to 6 hours to make a good thumbnail, this will now do in just a few seconds. Look, it even uses the exact same font and color and changed it to Mentor AI Official perfectly.
Nice.
Now, moving towards the advanced features, if you have a picture with someone and want to convert it into Ghibli style, which until now was only possible by buying subscriptions to paid tools, well, now you can do it for free. I'll add a random picture, and now I'll give this prompt. Change this pic to Ghibli style anime. And literally, within just a few seconds, it will create it for you. And look at how professional the picture it generated is. Artistic, something that even paid tools might not be able to do.
Take a deep breath. Oh, you've gone all quiet.
One more feature that I really like is that you can convert any specific part of a picture, like food or any body part, into a 2D whimsical illustration. So I'll import a picture, and now I'll give this prompt. Make the plate and the noodles into 2D whimsical illustration. And click run. Watch, this will literally blow your mind. Look, it converted only the plate and the food into 2D whimsical illustration, while the person and the background are completely the same. This is the biggest and best part of all. Now, if I want a professional business card with my name, logo, and also my YouTube channel link, then I'll give it a simple logo and paste this prompt in the prompt box. Then I'll click run. And literally, in just a few seconds, it will create a professional card for me from my simple logo, which will not only have my logo, but also my name and my channel link. Look at the professional business card it made, something that was literally impossible before. Its last and most powerful feature, look, I have a picture that contains a lot of items. Now, if I want to generate all of these items on a table, meaning instead of seeing them in the image, I want to get every single thing from the picture neatly placed on a table, then for that, I'll just paste this prompt and click run. Now watch, literally in just a few seconds, it will generate every single item from the image onto a table. Look how each and everything from the picture is now neatly organized on the table, just like those items were actually present there.
Why are you running?
To get unlimited access to Google Nano Banana and unlimited tools, we must open Google Chrome. Now, click on the search bar and search LM Arena. Open the first website that shows up. When this interface appears, on the top left side, click the Battle option, and here select Direct Chat. Now, many models are shown together. I'll click on that, and from here, I'll select Gemini 2.5 Pro. Now, when we click the image option below, at the top, we'll see Google Nano Banana being used. And now we can use Nano Banana and these other tools for free and unlimited.